Hello, my name is John Lohr with the County Resource Guide, and I'm here today with Lauren Salani, who's with Physicians for Alternative Medicine. And she is a licensed clinical social worker, and she is board certified in biofeedback. Lauren, can you tell us a little bit today for our readers what you do and the kinds of things you help people with?
Sure. I provide biofeedback therapy at our office for patients coming for treatment with their medical conditions. They generally come in for headache, migraine and tension, high blood pressure, chronic pain, low back pain, gastrointestinal disorders, and they're looking for a holistic treatment. And medicine traditionally has eradicated diseases through drugs, and we repair bodies with surgery, but the mind-body connection really has gone unrecognized, and it's a powerful tool in healing illness when it's used.
So is it like a skill that you teach people to use naturally for themselves?
It's a skill, and what the mind-body connection is the body is represented through nerve pathways to the brain, and the brain is represented in the body also through the vagus nerve into our hearts and our gastrointestinal system, and that's where we get our gut reactions and our heartfelt emotions. And with our busy head-centered society that's very cognitively oriented, we've cut off our awareness with our bodies, and so this function is lost. So when somebody comes to a medical doctor for treatment, yes, they will get Band-Aids and drugs and natural medicine, but that underlying skill that the patient can self-regulate themselves is not recognized. So what biofeedback does, it instructs the patient how to reduce and control their own symptoms.
It sounds great. And you work with as a team, right, with other practitioners here and medical doctors
yes,
also, right?
There's a nutritionist, a medical doctor, we have a nurse, so there's feedback from all of the different clinicians that creates a holistic treatment, as well as adding the brain as a tool for preventing illness. You know, the mind-body connection is also holistic.
Is it also helpful for pain management and things of that nature?
Yes. We use awareness training, and when people are very busy, their awareness cuts off, and they don't notice that their shoulders are tense, their necks might be a little tense, until hours later they're screaming in pain. Right. Then they say, oh, you know, my muscles are too tight. And biofeedback, well, we put sensors on necks and shoulders. We put sensors on fingers for monitoring hand temperature and skin conductance. And that information is fed into a computer. Then it's shown on the computer screen to the patient, so the patient's brain does what it needs to do to bring the body back to homeostasis. Lets the muscles relax, lets the hands warm, which brings down blood pressure, which decreases the chances of headaches occurring.
It sounds fascinating, and I really appreciate you sharing all that wonderful information with our readers today.
Sure, it was my pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.